Hi, I'm Andrew Cass, inviting you down to the next Renegade South Florida Entrepreneur Chapter event in April, where we're about to do something we've never done before in the 6 years that I've been running this chapter. We're going into a 3-part series on how to build the ultimate sales funnel for your business. Now, it doesn't matter what business you're in. At the end of the day, if you don't sell anything in your business, nothing happens. And we're going to start this 3-part series in April with lead generation and traffic. So I'm inviting you to join us in April for part 1 of 3. In the second quarter of 2014, and that's the lead generation and traffic workshop. The number one reason that entrepreneurs and small business owners in South Florida need to be at this event is because unless you're generating, I like to use the number 10, unless you can say that you're bringing 10 qualified leads into your business every single day, this event is for you, because this again is the lead generation and traffic workshop. And one of the things that keeps business owners sort of stuck, struggling, I kind of joke around and say they're like a deer in headlights in their business. They have great products, great services, great excitement, but they're just not bringing in enough quality eyeballs. And this is the workshop that will show you how to target, how to niche down and bring in some great quality leads into your business. We're going to work, we're going to roll up our sleeves, we're going to have some fun, and we're going to share some great case studies of existing members who are doing this really successfully right now. A couple key takeaways from this event is, number one, if you are an independent business owner and you don't have a lead generation strategy in place, we will help you get one. Now, one of the things that I'll also be doing, which I think you'll love, we have a lot of fun with this, is we're going to be doing what's called the hot seat. And I'm going to have one of my members on the marketing hot seat, and we will literally rip their business apart from front to back and show you exactly what they're doing right now to get leads online and offline. There's an online and an offline component here that I want to make everyone aware of at this event. When you merge the two together, or marry the two together, I like to say, you have what's called the ultimate 1-2 punch when it comes to lead generation. So we're going to be highlighting some of our members, and you know, we're going to be a little tough, and I think you'll get some great value out of these case studies and hot seats we're going to do. So you'll get to see some businesses literally dissected. I like to do surgery on some of these businesses when I put them up here. So we're going to have a great hot seat and some case studies that will give you great value when you attend this event. Again, I want to reiterate, this is a 3-part series that we're going into right now. So this isn't just an event in April. This is the first event of 3 in the second quarter of 2014, where April is part 1 of the anatomy of the perfect sales funnel. Remember, in month 2, when we go into May, we're going to be talking about the sales process. And then in month 3, in June, to round out the second quarter, we're going to go into the follow-up process. So you have to be here at the April event, which is part 1 of 2, then 3. However, here's the thing I want to point out more than anything else is it's an opportunity for you to get out of your business one time per month. Not to always be in your business, stuck on the day-to-day, but to disconnect, disengage, and come down and hang out with some really bright and creative entrepreneurs who can give you the edge that you need, and also share with you what's working when it comes to generating leads online and offline, which is the game changer and the critical factor and the entry point of every good business today. As always, by being part of the #1 business group in South Florida, ultimately, you will learn how to sell more with less resistance.